Apparently, sneezing with eyes open could cause eyeballs to pop out, as sneezing is the body's fastest reaction, with expelled airflow reaching up to 190 km/h. This force might actually make eyeballs burst. The Comet Group offered their own eyeballs to test the claim. Then Adam set up photography equipment. To calculate eyeball ejection speed and distance during sneezing, they always involuntarily close their eyes tightly. Having eaten, Adam forcefully opened his eyelids and said, although he successfully sneezed with his eyes open without eyeballs popping out, repeated experiments for accuracy consistently fell short of Master Jamie's expectations. They consulted an ophthalmologist who stated eyeballs are impossible to dislodge as the eye's surface is covered by cornea. The eyeball is attached by 6 extraocular muscles so strong sneezes won't detach.